Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to change your currency and location on Steam. Start by opening up Steam. Next, click on Help in the top of Steam and choose Steam Support. After that, go to My Account and Manage Account Details. On this page, click on Update Store Country on the bottom right under Store and Purchase History. Here you cannot, however, choose whichever country you want. You will have to contact Steam Support and ask them to change it for you. Also, if you are not really located in the country you would like to change your Steam store to, you will need a VPN. I have another tutorial of mine linked under this video on how to get a VPN for free. Once that's all set, click on Contact Steam Support and contact Steam Support once more. Then select the country you would like to change your Steam to and under details about your request. Just type in, "Change my store country, please I have moved." Finally, press Send, and they will change it for you if you've done everything right. Beware, you will always have to enable the VPN when on Steam. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.